bahay na tumulong sa inyo. Okay? Yun nga, lalo na pag mga emergency, mayroon na kayong may tatawag, di ba? Oo. Pag kailangan yung tumawag sa clinic, naalala nyo, di ba, yung kay Emmy, kailangan sa clinic, di ba? Ang hirap, tatakbo pa ron, so itatawag na, pupunta yung ambulance.
Check, check. Sama. Hello, magandang gabi, mga karadyo. Andito na naman po si Nelson, ang inyong lingkod. Mamaya po may 8 p.m. ay mayroon po tayong net call ng DX1 PRS. At ako lang po ay naghahanda. Magandang gabi po dyan. Magandang gabi po sa dalawang naka-view sa ating pong live. At tayo po'y nagre-ready sa gabing ugnayan ng DX1 PRS. Yung pong gusto magpa-shout habang wala pa, pwede. 8 p.m. magsisimula po ang net call. At ako'y medyo nilalamig rito. Lakas na aircon yata sa amin, maski wala. Magandang gabi. At tayo po'y magre-ready para sa ating gabing ugnayan ng DX1 PRS. Please tune in your frequency to 145.340 MHz for clear and easy communication. Exact 8 p.m. po magsisimula ang DX1 PRS. Baka po mayroong early check-in na dyan. Pwede po. Nakaw. Tayo'y... Anong oras ba? 7:46 p.m. May 4 na po naka-view. At tayo, ano bang gagawin natin? Waiting lang tayo sa mga katropa dyan. Magandang gabi po doon sa 3 viewers ko ngayon. At ito po ay paghahanda lang po sa gabing ugnayan ng DX1 PRS. Ano bang ating gagawin? Ito, wala po magawa. My dem. Itong aking kinakalikot rito. Yung controller ko ng nung sound card. Bali, wiring na lang siya para makonect ko dito sa aking biniling B8. Yung binili ko na K1. Yun o. Ayan. Binili ko pong K1. Ayan. Para dyan po yan. Yung iba kasi, may gumagawa po nitong ganito. Maliit lang siya. Yung halos siniksik niya ng gusto. Ako po kasi may iba pang plan dito. May balak akong ilagay rito. May bibilin akong balak kong bumili no, itong repeater, COR ba yun? Isasaksak ko din sa loob nito. Iaabang ko. Ayan, may mga may mga outlet na yan, saksakan ng yung malaki. Yung malaking butas na bilog para sa PTT ko yan. Tapos yung dalawang maliit, ayun, yung kulay puti. Yung dalawang yan is para sa para sa mic at saka sa audio. Patapos yung sa RJ45 na outlet, ayan, na saksakan, ayan, para papunta sa radyo yan. Tapos ito naman sa harapan para sa microphone, stock microphone ng Kenwood 2821 Alpha. Ayan. Ito po yung nakajunk sa akin na ayan, tato. Nakatambak yan dito. Ito yung mga sinauna ng gloves Ino-opera ko lang yan. Binutasan ko. Ilagay ko ito. Tapos sa likod, tinanggalan ko lang ng board to. Ayan, lagyan ko yan. Mayroon pang saksakan ng power. Kasi may balak ako dyan. Kaya may saksakan ng power. Para siguro sa ewan ko ano yung mailagay ko rito. Basta yan, kakabit ko lang nito mga sa plug ng mic at ng plug ng PTT, yung dalawa is sa plug ng microphone at saka ng audio para do sa papunta ng sound card, papunta rito. Saan ba yun? Papunta rito. Ayan, may ilaw yan. Ayan, whoop. May ilaw siya. Yan po, para dyan po yan. Hindi ko pa nagagamit, tinesting ko lang to dati. Patay na natin. Yan. Para po dito yan, sound card. Siguro sa isang linggo ko na ito magagawa. Wala pa akong maisip na gamiting wire Iniisip ko yung mga magpuputol ako ng mga USB charger. Yung kasi pinaka-the best na pinaka-the best na mga wire, magandang wire sa loob nun ng USB o kaya yung yung sa mga pang tawag rito, wire ng BGA, magaganda live. Pipili lang ng medyo maliit na wire ng cable ng BGA para hindi masyadong mataba. Yung maliit lang. Pero pinaka-the best talaga yung sa mouse, ayan, yung mga ng mouse, ng wiring ng mouse. O nga dami ko palang mouse dito. Makapagsira nga nung luma. Marami pala akong wiring ng mouse dito. Yun na lang makalikot para para Oscar Kilo. Time check 7:51 PM. Abang lang po tayo mga amateuristang Pinoy. Nawala na. Wala na naka-view. Ano bang gagawin ko? Siyado pala napaaga ng bukas ko nung live. Hindi na pwedeng patayin. Magsabago na naman na set. La la. 7:52. Tayo pala ay mag-e-edit muna nitong script. Edit muna ako ng script ko. At ano ba December na ngayon. Ay, naiwan. Naiwan ang... Naiwan. Ayun na nga, December 17. December 17. Thursday. It's the 17 December 2020, Tuesday. Huh? Uh-huh. Check. 7:54. Matagal-tagal pala, mali. Mas napaaga yung ano ko. Dapat pala mga 7:50 ako nag-open. Power supply on. Power on ng pan para hindi nag-iinit. Audio check, radio check. Audio 4H1 LCU. La la la. Bang 7:56. Di mawala.
Audio, check 1, 2, 3, 4.
Go ahead, go ahead.
Audio check lang po dito, Root Boy. Dito sa
Si Nelson to.
likewise dito Nelson. Audio check lang. Baka mawala ako sa network mamaya.
Okay lang. Oscar Killing.
PSL po. Pero talaga niya ang Mike Oscar po. Salamat. 73.
Knowledge at malapit na tayo magsimula. Check, check.
USM. Para makasama ako sa raffle.
Oo, no. Para sa lahat naman yan eh.
Miss ko na magka-t-shirt.
Yes. At papasko.
Yan, bawas ko na. Mayroon pang t-shirt.
Oo, tito. Para maganda.
Copy. Favorite na favorite yung shirt.
Oo nga. Para mamaya. Sige tito, tanong lang. Ako yung magre-ready lang at malapit na.
Po dito Nelson. Magandang gabi. Selling Family 73. Good evening. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas too. ART. Isa, dalawa, tatlo, apat, lima. Sino ba yung hindi? Anim. Sino ba yung isa? Articles. Linkers. RT. RT. Ano lang. Check time, 7:59 p.m. Shake break in a minute. We are about to begin the evening net of Dex 1 pairs. All station, please stand by.
Welcome to DX1 PRS Net Call. Please support DX1 PRS Evening Net Call. 145.340 MHz. Monday to Saturday, 8 p.m. to 9 p.m.
Shake break. It's 8 o'clock in the evening. Good evening, fellow hams. Maayong gabi, Pilipinas. It is 17 of December 2020, Thursday. Welcome to the evening net of Pyramid Radio Society Incorporated, or DEX1 PRS. The Pyramid Radio Society Incorporated is an amateur group registered with Securities Exchange Commission, affiliated with the Philippine Amateur Radio Association, and duly licensed and accredited by the National Telecommunication Commission. Check. Check, check. DX1 PRS conduct its evening net from Monday to Saturday, 8 in the evening. Check, check. The net control for tonight is for Hotel 1, Lima, Charlie Uniform. My handle is Nelson. I am transmitting from Binangonan, Rizal. I am working with Kenwood 281 Alpha, hook up with the Mini G7 homebrew antenna, 37 feet from the ground. To all station, please robate your transceiver to frequency 145.340 MHz for easy and clear reception. We shall now start the net by calling any emergency, priority, or medical traffic by which the group can be of assistance. Please call DX1 PRS. All station will be standing by. Second call to any emergency, priority, or medical traffic by which the group can be assistance. Please call DX1 PRS. All station will be standing by. Any relay for Hotel 1 Lima Charlie uniform for the X1 PRS standing by. Any announcement from the club officer, chairman of any committee, from the NTC or para, or from other local amateur clubs, please call in out. The X1 PRS will be listening. Second call to an announcement from the club officer, chairman of any committee, from the NTC or para, or from other club. Please call it now. The X1 PRS will be listening. Since this is a supervised net, therefore, all call must be passed through to the net control. All stations are requested to break in with your complete call sign, which include the prefix, district number, and suffix. We shall now begin the roll call proper by any calling or any station, be portable, mobile, or base, who wish to join the X1 PRS evening net call. Please call my station. For Hotel 1 Lima Charlie uniform for the X1 PRS will be standing by.
For Hotel 1, Delta Tango Golf.
For Golf 1, Foxtrot Bravo Lima.
Copy to the station, Tito Elmore, Tito Jomar, please stand by. Any more?
For Hotel 1, Whiskey X-ray, Papa.
Whiskey X-ray, Papa.
Delta, Solo 1, Delta.
Copy, Tito Errol, Tito Don, please stand by. Any more? Nothing here. Tito Don, Tito Errol, Tito Elmore, please stand by. Tawagin ko lang si For Hotel 1 Delta Tango Golf. Go ahead.
Good evening, Control. Good evening sa lahat. For Hotel 1, Delta Tango Golf. Joining the ring net, 73, and mabuhay.
Acknowledge your station, Tito Jomar ng Alabang, Muntinlupa. Thank you for always supporting the X1 PRS Evening Net, your station. For Hotel 1 Delta Tango Golf is properly logged and clear. Move another station, Tito Elmore. Go ahead.
Good evening all stations. Good evening Tito Nelson for H1 LCU for the X1 PRS. You're coming in 5 by 9. This is for Golf 1, Foxtrot Bravo Lima. Name is Elmore from Muntinlupa City. Just joining the net, no further traffic, 73.
Likewise, Tito Elmore, you're coming here at 5 by 9 in Binangonan. Thank you for always supporting the X1 PRS Evening Net, your station. For Golf 1, Foxtrot Bravo Lima is properly logged and clear, 73. Move another station for Hotel 1, Whiskey X-ray, Papa. Tito Errol, go ahead.
Good evening, Tito Nelson. Good evening all around. This is Hotel 1, Whiskey X-ray, Papa. Just joining and supporting your unit, 73, and God bless. Happy holiday.
Acknowledge your station, Tito Errol, ng GMA Cavite, from the group, the X1 EBM. Thank you for always supporting the X1 PRS Evening Net, your station. For Hotel 1, Whiskey X-ray, Papa is properly logged and clear, 73. Move another station, Tito Don, go ahead.
Sir, magandang gabi at joining the net for the X1 PRS. Delta, Solo 1, Delta. 73, salamat.
Acknowledge your station, Tito Don, from the group, the X3 Hotel. Thank you for always supporting the X1 PRS Evening Net, your station. Delta, Sulu 1, Delta is properly logged and clear. Any more station?
DW3 Romeo Queen Golf Stroke 1.
Copy, Tito Roel.
Break, Tito Nelson.
Go ahead, Tito.
Tito Nelson, indulgence. Pupulutin ko muna si Tito Voltaire ng Cuenca, Batangas. Medyo mahina siya. Permission to pull out.
Go ahead, permission.
For India 1, Papa Uniform Victor, Tito Voltaire, ng Pink, Batangas. Good evening, welcome to DX1 Testnet. For Golf 1, Papa Uniform Romeo for the pullout. #73 Tito Voltaire, and I would like to take this opportunity also for just a short announcement. Nasa Saturday, yung mga na-qualify with the entry numbers, tatawagin kayo in order, in chronological order. So sa Saturday, sa start ng net, abangan nyo na yung number nyo. Mag-start tayo sa entry number 1, 2, 3, 4 hanggang sa 31 na. So lahat ng mga na-qualify na. Yan na po, back to you, Tito Nelson.
Maraming salamat Tito Rutboy sa pag-relay. For Golf 1, Papa Uniform Romeo, for DX1 PRS, Portal 1, Lima Charlie Uniform, at knowledge sa station of Tito Voltaire ng Cuenca, Batangas. Thank you for always supporting the DX1 PRS Evening Net, your station for India 1, Papa Uniform Victor is properly logged and clear. Tawagin ko na po si Tito Rowell, Delta Whiskey 3, Romeo, Quebec, Golf, Stroke 1. Go ahead, Tito.
Salamat, magandang gabi, Nelson Rootboy. Dito po rin RQG, ng Binyan, Laguna, from the group of DX3 Latitude, checking 73, mabuhay.
Ayun, acknowledge the station ni Tito Rowell ng Binyan, Laguna, from the group DX3 Latitude. Thank you for always supporting DX1 PRS. Evening Net, Church Station, Delta Whiskey 3, Romeo, Quebec Gold, Stroke 1 is properly locked and clear. Tawagin na kita, Tito Rutboy, para hindi na makalimot. Go ahead.
Good evening, Tito Nelson, at good evening din kay Tito Roel for Golf 1, Papa Uniform Romeo, checking in and supporting the net. No traffic, 73, keep safe.
Acknowledge the station of Tito Rutboy at one of the net control ng DX1 PRS, si Tito Rutboy ng Santa Rosa, Laguna, also from the group. Thank you for always supporting our evening net. Your station for Group 1, Papa Uniform Romeo is properly logged and clear. 73 Anymore Station.
Hotel 1 Yankee Mike Oscar, magandang gabi po.
Copy, Tito Gilbert. Please stand by. Anymore? Nothing heard. Tito Gilbert, pasok.
Likewise, Tito Nelson, back to you na naman. Hotel 1 Yankee Mike Oscar po, nagpapatala. Transmitting Calamba, Laguna from DX1 Papa, mabuhay. Secretary, Merry Christmas po. Magandang gabi sa inyo. Dito sa Ralito, bye.
Ganon din sa iyo, Tito Gilbert. Merry Christmas in advance at acknowledge your station si Tito Gilbert ng Calamba City from the group DX1 Papa. Thank you for always supporting DX1 PRS. Evening Net, your station. For Hotel 1, Yankee Mike Oscar is properly logged and clear. 73 Anymore Station.
For G1 Alpha Zulu Oscar for the net. G1 Alpha Zulu Sierra.
For G1, Bravo Sierra Yankee for the net.
Copy, 3 station. Tito Ariel, Tito Boy, Tito Pema, please stand by. Anymore Station. Nothing heard. Tito Ariel, Tito Boy, please stand by. Unahin ko na po si Golf 1, Alpha Zulu Oscar. Go ahead.
Yes, Control. Good evening po. This is for Golf 1 Alpha Zulu Oscar supporting DX1 PRS from the group of DX1 ART transmitting Mindanao Avenue, Quezon City. Maraming salamat. 73, mabuhay. Maraming salamat po.
Acknowledge your station, Tito Pemak ng Quezon City. From the group DX1 ART, thank you for always supporting DX1 PRS. Evening Net, your station for Golf 1 Alpha Zulu Oscar is properly logged and clear. 73, move another station, Delta Uniform 1 Alpha Zulu Sierra. Tito Boy, welcome to Evening Net.
Magandang gabi po sa inyo at sa lahat nagpapatalala, muhabati ng tiklis-tiklis na 73 sa inyo at sa lahat. Mga traffic carrier, salamat po.
Salamat din ng tiklik-tiklis na pasasalamat Tito Boy ng Tambo, Paranaque from the group DX1 Ace, Cavite Ace. Thank you for always supporting the DX1 PRS Evening Net. Your station, Delta Uniform 1 Alpha Zulu Sierra is properly logged and clear. 73, move another station, si Tito Ariel. Go ahead, Tito Ariel.
Ayun, good evening, Nelson. Good evening to all station. Just checking in. No other traffic. 73. Mabuhay.
Maraming salamat sa iyo, Ariel. Acknowledge your station, si Tito Ariel. Thank you for always supporting the X1 PRS. Ibnet, your station, 4 Golf 1. Bravo, Sierra Yankees. Properly locked and clear. Any more station? Signet and station who wish to join the X1 PRS Ibnet.
Pull out, Tito Nelson.
Permission, pull out.
D1 Victor Lima Zulu, Pangalos B, maayong gabi, 4 Golf 1 Papa Uniform Romeo for the pullout. Okay, acknowledge the station, Pangalos Bay. You're coming here 5 by 4, Pangalos Bay sa Santa Rosa, Laguna. Ipapatala na po yung station ng back to you, Tito Nelson, 4G1 for the relay. 4G1 Papa Uniform Romeo for the relay.
Salamat, Tito Rootboy. 4 Golf 1 Papa Uniform Romeo for the X1 PRS. 4 Hotel 1 Lima Charlie Uniform. Acknowledge the station ni Tita Luzby ng Rodriguez, Montalban, Rizal from the group DX1 EBM at one of the net control of DX1 EBM. Thank you for always supporting the X1 PRS. Evening net, your station Delta Uniform 1 Victor Lima Sulu is properly logged and clear. 73 any more station. Any more station who wish to join the X1 PRS. Evening net.
Delta Whiskey 1, Queen Echo Whiskey.
Copy, Tito Jun, please stand by. Any more? Nothing heard. Delta Whiskey 1, Queen Echo Whiskey. Welcome to Evening Net.
Good evening, DX1 PRS. Good evening, Control. Magandang gabi sa lahat ng mga nakatabay na istasyon. Advance Merry Christmas, cemeteries, and no further traffic.
Ganon din sa iyo dyan, Tito Jun. Advance Merry Christmas sa ating lahat at acknowledge your station, si Tito Jun ng UP, Los Baños, Laguna. Thank you for always supporting the X1 PRS Evening Net, your station, Delta Whiskey 1, Queen Echo Whiskey is properly locked and cleared. 73 any more station. Any station? CQNet, any station who wish to join the X1 PRS Evening Net, please call my station. For Hotel 1, Lima, Charlie Uniform, my handle is Nelson, transmitting Binangon Rizal for the X1 PRS will be standing by.
Hotel 1, Yankee Quebec Delta for the net.
Copy, Tito Jason, please stand by. Any more? For Hotel 1, Yankee Quebec Delta, welcome to the Evening Net.
Po, Tito, magandang gabi po. For Hotel 1, Yankee Quebec Delta, joining the DX1 PRS net. 73, mabuhay. Magandang gabi. Salamat po.
Magandang gabi din dyan, Tito Jason. Acknowledge your station, si Tito Jason ng Tagaytay City from the group DX1 EBM. Thank you for always supporting DX1 PRS Evening Net, your station. For Hotel 1, Yankee Quebec Delta is properly logged and clear. Any more station? Announce ko nga lang po pala tayo na sabay ng live telecast sa live feed sa FB. Pwede po kayong manood doon or pakinggan nyo inyong pagpasok sa Netcall. Marami pong salamat at bukas na lang po yung iba na announcement. Any more station?
Delta Whiskey 1, Romeo X-Ray Papa.
Copy, Tito Darius. Please stand by. Any more? Nothing heard. Delta Whiskey 1, Romeo X-Ray Papa. Tito Darius, pasok.
Ayun, magandang gabi, Tito Nelson. DW1,
1, RXP, just checking in for the evening net, no important traffic, magandang gabi, salamat.
Ayun, salamat din Tito Darius sa palaging pagsuporta. Acknowledge your station, Tito Darius ng Parañaque City. Thank you for always supporting the X1 PRS Evening Net. Your station, Delta Whiskey 1, Reunio, X-Ray Papa is properly logged and cleared. 73, Anymore Station.
Delta Victory 1, Sierra Victor Sierra for the net.
Copy, Tito June, please stand by. Anymore? Nothing heard. Tito June, pasok.
Good evening, Lima Charlie Uniform, Nelson, yung sa Unity Central Station, Delta Victory 1, Sierra Victor Sierra, supporting the Net Power Group, the X1 PRS 73, no more traffic, good evening.
Acknowledge your station, Tito June ng Muntinlupa City, also from the group at Head Technical Affairs Committee ng DX1 PRS. Thank you for always supporting our evening net. Your station, Delta Victory 1, Sierra Victor Sierra is properly logged and cleared. 73, Anymore Station.
D1 Papa Romeo Foxtrot.
Copy, Tito June. Standby. Anymore? Nothing heard. Tito June, go ahead na po.
Magandang gabi Nelson, magandang gabi sa lahat. Another topic, just supporting our groups net from Calamba City, 73. God bless, mabuhay.
Good evening, Tito Dune.
Acknowledge your station, Tito June ng Calamba, Laguna. Also from the group at one of the net control of the X1 PRS, thank you for always supporting the X1 PRS. Evening net, your station, Delta, Uniform 1, Papa, Romeo Foxtrot is properly logged and cleared. 73 at Merry Christmas dyan, Tito. Anymore station?
DY1 Lima Echo Echo.
Copy. Kuya Lee. Kaya ako na ng titong tawagin. Will stand by anymore? May nakakopya doon?
Subukan natin, Tito Nelson. Yung nag-relay, pakibalik po. Okay, Tito Anel, copy that, 4L1 Bravo Zulu Delta, please stand by at announce ko rin na abangan nyo sa Saturday na yung number nyo, chronological order ang pagtawag, special net call on Saturday, ha? 1, 2, 3, 4 hanggang sa 31. QSL? Back to you, Tito Nelson.
Ayun, acknowledge the station. Salamat Tito Rotboy at acknowledge the station of Tito Arnel ng Rodriguez Rizal. Thank you for always supporting the X1 PRS. Evening net, your station, Portal 1, Bravo Zulu Delta is properly logged and clear. Tawag ko na po ulit, si Kuya Lee. Pasok.
Good evening, Old Man Nelson, your 59 plus 60 dB here in my QTH, Nuvali, supporting the net call of the X1 PRS. And join my station in DY1 Lima Echo Echo to your log this evening. Maraming salamat, QRU 73, and God bless you.
Salamat, Kuya Lee, ng Nubali, Santa Rosa. Thank you for always supporting the X1 PRS Evening Net. Your station, Delta Yankee 1, Lima Echo Echo is properly logged and cleared. 73, Anymore Station. Siginet, any station who wish to join the X1 PRS Evening Net.
Hello, Tito Nelson.
Permission, go ahead.
Calling Delta Yankee 1, Mike Alpha Romeo, Tito Mar, on portable, go ahead. Good evening, welcome to the X1 PRS. Likewise, God bless, 73. Tito Mar, remind ko lang sa Saturday, number 29 ka, so tatawagin in chronological order yung special net natin sa Saturday, number 29 ka. Abangan mo yung number kasi mag-start kami sa entry 1 hanggang sa 29. QSL? Back to you, Tito Nelson. si 4 Golf 1 Charlie Alpha Zulu.
Tama ba yung dinig ko dito? For Hotel 1, Bravo Zulu Delta?
4 Golf 1 Charlie Alpha Zulu.
Hindi, yung kanina si si Bravo Zulu Delta, tama ba yun? For Hotel 1, Bravo Zulu Delta?
QSL,
Ayun, copy. At aba, nawala yung isa. sorry.
Break dito, Nelson. Medyo may napasabay si ka-JR sa pag-transmit. Pulutin mo, call out ulit si 4 Golf 1 Charlie Alpha Zulu.
Ayun, tawag ko na si ko na rito si Charlie Alpha Zulu. Acknowledge ko na lang din si tama ba ako dun? For F1 Mike Alfa Romeo?
Delta Yankee 1 Mike Alfa Romeo.
Ayun, Delta Yankee. Acknowledge ko na lang muna Tito Tito Mar. Acknowledge the station Tito Mar ng Binyan Laguna. From the thank you for always supporting the X1 PRS Net. Your station Delta Yankee 1 Mike Alfa Romeo is properly logged and clear. At tawagin ko lang din po si si Charlie Alpha Zulu. Go ahead.
Nag-transmit sa kanina nakasabay, na lang, acknowledge na lang.
Ayun, acknowledge ko na lang si Tito JR ng Rodriguez Montalban Rizal from the group, the X1 EBM. Thank you for always supporting Tito JR sa gabing ugnayan ng X1 PRS, your station for Group 1, Charlie Alpha Zulu is properly logged and cleared. 73 Enmore Station.
155 Papa.
Copy, Lula Pedro, please stand by. Anymore? Nothing heard. Go ahead na po. 55 Papa, Lula Pedro, pasok.
Thank you po. DOY 155 Papa, checking in. Buhayang PRS. Magandang gabi.
Ayun, acknowledge your station, Lolo Pedro ng San Pedro, Laguna. Thank you for always supporting the X1 PRS Evening Net. Your station, Delta Yankee 1, 55 Papa is properly logged and clear. At mayroon lang po ako acknowledge dito sa sa live ko si Delta Whiskey 8, Charlie Romeo Foxtrot, si Tito Juni. Magandang gabi po diyan sa inyong lugar At acknowledge your station, Delta Whiskey 8, Charlie Romeo Foxtrot is properly logged and clear. At i-acknowledge ko na din po si 4 Golf 1 Alpha Victor India, si June Marasigan. Thank you for always supporting the X1 PRS Evening Net, your station. 4 Golf 1 Alpha Victor India is properly logged and clear. And si DB2 Bravo Whiskey Bravo ay acknowledge din po sa inyong station dyan sa City of Pines, Baguio. Ayun, si Tito Nick. Go ahead na, Tito Nick. Ayun, acknowledge your station, kababayan Nick ng Taytay Rizal from the group, the X1 ART. At one of the CS of the X1 ART and board member. Thank you for always supporting the X1 PRS Evening Net, your station. For Group 1, November Tango Tango is properly logged and clear. Acknowledge ko po ulit si Delta Victory 2, Bravo Whiskey Bravo, si Tito Michael ng City of Pine. Mabuhay dyan, magandang gabi. 73 Enmore Station. Siginet and station who wish to join the X1 PRS Evening Net. Yung 3 station po, ni-login ko na rito si Tito Michael, Tito Abby, June, Tito Juni. Your 3 station is properly logged and clear. Magandang gabi po dyan sa mga lugar nyo. Any more station who wish to join the X1 PRS Evening Net? CQNet, any station who wish to join the X1 PRS Evening Net, please call my station. For Hotel 1, Lima, Charlie Uniform, my handle is Nelson, transmitting Binangonan Rizal. For the X1 PRS will be standing by.
For I1, my Victor India.
Go ahead na, Juliana and Robert.
Hi, Tito Nelson.
Ayun, good evening, Tito Nelson. Good evening to all station. For H1 LCU for the X1 PRS Net. For I1, Mike Victor India, together with
Juliana checking in.
supporting our group's net for the traffic 73.
Ayun, acknowledge to si Tito Robert and si Juliana dyan sa Binyan, Laguna. Also from the group, thank you for always supporting the X1 PRS Evening Net, Juliana and Tito Robert. Your station for India 1, Mike Victor India is properly logged and clear at naiiba na yung voice po, lalong gumaganda at Juliana. Magandang gabi dyan sa inyong mag-ama at 73 Anymore Station.
Romeo Oscar Mike.
Copy, Tito Romano, please stand by. Anymore? Nothing heard. Delta Yankee 1, Romeo Oscar Mike. Go ahead po.
Magandang gabi dito yan sa magandang gabi sa lahat na nakaantabay. Nagpapatra lang po sa gabi-gabing lambatan. Wala namang ibang mensahe, 73.
Ayun, acknowledge sa station of Tito Romano ng San Pedro, Laguna. Thank you for always supporting the X1 PRS Evening Net. Your station, Delta Yankee 1, Romeo Oscar Mike is properly logged and cleared. 73 Anymore Station. CQNet, any station who wish to join the X1 PRS Evening Net. CQNet, any station B, portable, mobile, or base who wish to join the X1 PRS Evening Net. Please call my station. For Hotel 1, Lima, Charlie Uniform, for the X1 PRS will be standing by.
For G1, Whiskey Uniform Foxtrot.
Copy, Tita Amor, please stand by. Any more? Nothing heard. For Group 1, Whiskey Uniform Foxtrot. Go ahead, Tita.
Magandang gabi, Nelson, dyan sa Binangonan. Magandang gabi sa lahat ng istasyon. Si 4G1 Whiskey Uniform Foxtrot checking in, supporting our group net. No more traffic, 73 and mabuhay.
Ayun, magandang gabi dyan, Tita Amor. Acknowledge your station, si Tita Amor ng Santa Rosa, Laguna. Also from the group at Corporate Secretary ng DX1 PRS. Thank you for always supporting DX1 PRS, our Evening Net. Your station for Group 1 Whiskey Uniform Foxtrot is properly logged and clear. 73, sensya na, namamali. Any more station?
For Hotel 1, Bravo, Soloico.
Copy, Tito Meloy, please stand by. Any more?
For Golf 1, Alpha, Quebec, Victor.
Copy, Tito Mang, please stand by. Any more? Nothing heard. Tito Amang, please stand by. Tawagin ko lang po si Tito Meloy ng Commonwealth, Quezon City. Go ahead, Tito Meloy.
Good evening, all stations for Hotel 1, Soloico. Direct reporting the net with no traffic. 73, salamat, mabuhay. God bless.
Acknowledge your station, Tito Meloy ng Commonwealth, Quezon City. From the group, the X1 EBM. Thank you for always supporting the X1 PRS Evening Net, your station. For Hotel 1, Bravo, Zulu Echo is properly logged and cleared. 73, move another station. For Group 1, Alpha, Quebec, Victor. Tito Amang, go ahead po. Alpha Queen Victor. Tito Amang, nandiyan ka pa?
Nandito po, Tito Nelson. Nawala po yung transmission nyo eh.
Ah, talaga. Sige, go ahead na, Tito.
Yan, magandang gabi, DX1 PRS family at sa iyo, Tito Nelson and all station. At si Amang po, nabotas, nagpapatala. Maraming salamat po. 73.
Acknowledge your station, Tito Amang, ng Nabotas City. From the group, DX1 ART, at one of the chairman of the board ng DX1 ART. Thank you for always supporting DX1 PRS. Ibignet your station. For Group 1, Alpha, Queen Victor is properly logged and clear. 73 anymore. Any more station who wish to join the X1 PRS Ibignet? Magandang gabi po dyan sa dalawang matyagan nanonood. Sana ay dumami kayo. Pagpalain tayong nawa ng ating buong may kapal. Any more station who wish to join the X1 PRS Ibignet? CQNet, and station B, portable, mobile, or base who wish to join the X1 PRS Ibignet. Please call my station. For Hotel 1, Lima, Charlie, Uniform. Ako po si Nelson. For the X1 PRS will be standing by.
For Golf 1, Yankee, Juliet, Charlie.
Copy. Tito Raymond, please stand by. Any more? Nothing heard. For Golf 1, Yankee, Juliet, Charlie. Go ahead.
Likewise, good evening, Tito Nelson. For Hotel 1, Lima, Foxtrot Uniform. For DX1, Papa Romeo Sierra. For Golf 1, Yankee, Juliet, Charlie. Checking into the net. No traffic, my 7359, Dasmariños, Cavite. Mabuhay.
Likewise, Tito Raymond, your 5x9 here at Binangon Rizal. At correction po, for Hotel 1, Lima, Charlie, Uniform, ang aking handle. Ako po si Nelson. Acknowledge your station, Tito Raymond, Nandas Marinas, Cavite. From the group, DX1, Wapi. Basta Wapi, happy. Thank you for always supporting DX1 PRS Ibignet, your station. For Group 1, Yankee, Juliet, Charlie is properly locked and cleared. 73, any more station?
Ayun, pasensya na. Hindi na kasi nagnenet eh. Ayun, Lima Charlie Uniform. Ayun, salamat.
Welcome, Tito. Bukas uli. CQNet, any station who wish to join the X1 PRS Ibignet? Any more station who wish to join the X1 PRS Ibignet? Acknowledge ko lang po si Tito Juni ng Davao del Norte. From the group DX9 UAI. Thank you for always supporting Tito Juni. Your station, Delta Yankee 9, Juliet, Delta Charlie is properly logged and cleared. 73, magandang gabi po dyan sa Davao del Norte. Merry Christmas din sa iyo dyan, Tito Juni. Magandang gabi sa Davao. Any more station? CQNet, any station who wish to join the X1 PRS Ibignet? Check. Any station who wish to join the X1 PRS Ibignet? CQNet, and Station B, portable, mobile, or base who wish to join DX1 PRS Ibnet. Please call my station for Hotel 1, Lima Charlie Uniform. Ako po si Nelson from Binangonan, Rizal. For DX1 PRS will be standing by. Any more station who wish to join DX1 PRS Ibnet. CQNet, and Station B, portable, mobile, or base who wish to join DX1 PRS Ibnet. Please call my station for Hotel 1, Lima Charlie Uniform. For DX1 PRS will be standing by.
BB1 Chile Whiskey Mexico.
Copy, Tito Alaric, please stand by. Any more? Nothing heard. DB1 Kilo Whiskey Mexico, go ahead.
Good evening, Nelson. Magandang gabi sa lahat. Just supporting ang net ko, the traffic. 73 to nabuhay. Kayo.
Ayon, acknowledge your station, Tito Alaric ng Muntinlupa City, also from the group at Vice President ng DX1 PRS. Thank you for always supporting our Ibnet. Your station, Delta Victory 1 Kilo Whiskey Mexico, is properly logged and cleared. 73 and more station.
For Golf 1, Echo Kilo Fox.
Copy, Tito Mel, please stand by. Any more? Nothing heard. For Group 1, Echo Kilo Fox, go ahead. For Group 1, Echo Kilo Fox, go ahead na po.
Ay, sorry. For Golf 1, Echo Kilo Fox po ito, nagpapatala sa DX1 PRS evening net call. Receiving you here 3x7, San Mateo, Rizal. Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat, and 73.
Magandang gabi din dyan, Tito Mel, at alam ko maganda yung antena mo, kaya malakas ka rito. Dead spot ako dyan sa area mo. Acknowledge your station, Tito Mel ng San Mateo, Rizal, from the group DX1 ARM. Thank you for always supporting DX1 PRS. Ibnet your station. For Group 1, Echo Kilo Fox is properly logged and cleared. 73 and more station. Any station who wish to join the X1 PRS Ibnet. CQNet, and Station B, portable, mobile, or base who wish to join DX1 PRS Ibnet. Please call my station for Hotel 1, Lima Charlie Uniform. For DX1 PRS will be standing by. CQNet, and Station who wish to join DX1 PRS Ibnet.
For Golf 1, Echo Delta Uniform.
Copy, Tito June, please stand by. Any more? Nothing heard. For Golf 1, Echo Delta Uniform, go ahead.
Yes, good evening and good evening to all station on monitor for Golf 1 Echo Delta Uniform. Just joining and supporting the X1 PRS Net 73 and mabuhay. Thank you.
Salamat din, Tito June. Acknowledge your station, si Tito June lang. Wala pala akong lugar dito, Tito June. From the group, the X1 ER, thank you for always supporting the X1 PRS Ibnet. Your station for Golf 1 Echo Delta Uniform is properly logged and cleared. 73 and more station. CQNet, and Station B, portable, mobile, or base who wish to join DX1 PRS Ibnet. Please call my station for Hotel 1, Lima Charlie Uniform. My handle is Nelson, transmitting Binangonan, Rizal. For DX1 PRS will be standing by.
4G1 Lima Delta Kilo.
Copy, Tito Dan, please stand by. Any more? Nothing heard. For Golf 1, Lima Delta Kilo, go ahead po.
Yeah, good evening, Nelson. Good evening, fellow hams. Good evening to all station and monitor. Checking in and supporting our evening net call with no traffic 73 and keep safe. Mabuhay.
Acknowledge your station, Tito Dan, ng Binyan, Laguna. Also from the group at auditor ng DX1 PRS. Thank you for always supporting our evening net. Your station for Golf 1, Lima, Delta Kilo is properly logged and clear. 73, any more station? Any station who is to join DX1 PRS evening net? CQNet, any station B, portable, mobile, or base who wish to join DX1 PRS evening net. Please call my station for Hotel 1, Lima Charlie, uniform for DX1 PRS will be standing by.
PW1, Sulu, Papa Lima.
Copy, Tito Willie, please stand by anymore. Go ahead na po, Delta Whiskey 1, Sulu, Papa Lima, si Tito Willie na UP Diliman.
Ayun, magandang gabi. At joining the evening net, 73, mabuhay. Maraming salamat.
Acknowledge your station, Tito Willie. Si Tito Willie ng UP Diliman. From the group, DX1ER. Thank you for always supporting DX1 PRS Evening Net. Your station, Delta Whiskey 1, Sulu, Papa Lima is properly logged and clear. 73, any more station?
Pull out, Tito Nelson.
Permission, pull out, go ahead.
D1 Kilo India Yankee, Kaed, good evening, welcome to this one, Pressnet, 4G1 PUR for the pull out. Likewise, 73, Kaed, wala kang signal sa kanya, Tito Nelson, back to you.
Ayun, maraming salamat, Tito Boy. Tito Mark, copy ka na at please stand by. Acknowledge ko lang si Tito Ed. Acknowledge si Tito Ed ng San Pablo Laguna from the group DX1 EBM. Thank you for always supporting DX1 PRS Net. Your station, Delta Uniform 1, Kilo, India Yankees, properly locked and clear. Move another station, Tito Mark. Go ahead na po.
Yes, good evening, Tito. At good evening sa lahat. Delta Yankee 1, Mike Victor Charlie, always supporting the unit of the PRS. Tito Batablo at Ingat Kanina.
Acknowledge your station, Tito Mark, ng GMA Cavite. Thank you for always supporting the X1 PRS Evening Net. Your station, Delta Yankee 1, Mike Victor Charlie is properly locked and clear. 73, any more station? CQNet, any station will be to join the X1 PRS Evening Net. Check. Magandang gabi po doon sa natitirang aking isang viewer. Isang viewer. Any station would like to join the DX1 PRS Evening Net. CQNet, any station, be portable, mobile, or base, who wish to join DX1 PRS Evening Net. Please call my station for Hotel 1, Lima Charlie uniform for DX1 PRS will be standing by. CQNet, any station, be portable, mobile, or base, who wish to join DX1 PRS Evening Net. Please call my station for Hotel 1, Lima Charlie uniform for DX1 PRS will be standing by.
4 Golf 1, Tango Kilo Golf for the net.
Copy, Tito June. Please stand by. Anymore? Nothing here. The 4 Golf 1, Tango Kilo Golf. Go ahead.
Magandang gabi po, Tito. Magandang gabi sa lahat. My station, 4 Golf 1, Tango Kilo Golf. My handle is John John, together with 4 Golf 1, Tango Kilo Foxtrot, Sierra Lynn, and Harmonic 4 Hotel 1, X-Ray, Charlie Mike. Si Sarah. From the group DX1 Mike Charlie Golf, from General PSKP, just supporting diving net, down the traffic, 73 and keep safe.
Ayun, acknowledge 3 stations, si Tito June, Tita Sherlyn, at si Sarah ng General Trias Kabir from the group DX My Charlie Golf. Thank you for always supporting the X1 PRS Evening Net, your 3 station. 4 Golf 1, Tango Kilo Golf, 4 Golf 1, Tango Kilo Fox Truck, 4 Hotel 1, X-Ray Charlie Mike is properly logged and clear. 73 Anymore station. Good one. CQNet, and Station B, portable, mobile, or base who wish to join DX1 PRS Evening Net, please call my station for Hotel 1, Lima Charlie Uniform for DX1 PRS will be standing by. CQNet, any more station who wish to join DX1 PRS Evening Net, any more station. CQNet, and Station B, portable, mobile, or base who wish to join the X1 PRS Evening Net, please call my station for Hotel 1, Lima Charlie Uniform for the X1 PRS will be standing by. CQNet, and Station who wish to join the X1 PRS Evening Net. Any more station who want to join the DX1 PRS Evening Net? CQNet, and Station B, portable, mobile, or base who wish to join the X1 PRS Evening Net, please call my station for Hotel 1, Lima Charlie Uniform for the X1 PRS will be standing by.
D1 India Victor Tango.
Uy, Tita Telma, magandang gabi po. Merry Christmas. Go ahead na po. Delta Uniform 1, India, Victor Tango. Go ahead.
Asin po si Nelson?
Yourself, Tita.
Hi, good evening. Loko ng audio mo. Di umahabol lang. Pasensya na. Checking in and supporting the DX1 PRS Net. It's 73 and ingat.
Maraming salamat, Tita Telma. Acknowledge your station. Si Tita Telma ng Parañaque City. From the group DX1 Para at Director ng DX1 Para, thank you for always supporting DX1 PRS Evening Net, your station. Delta Uniform 1, India, Victor Tango is properly logged and cleared. 73, Merry Christmas ulit dyan, Tita Telma, at any more station. CQNet, and Station B, portable, mobile, or base who wish to join the X1 PRS Evening Net, please call my station for Hotel 1, Lima Charlie Uniform for the X1 PRS will be standing by. CQNet, and Station B, portable, mobile, or base who wish to join DX1 PRS Evening Net. Please call my station for Hotel 1 Lima Charlie Uniform for DX1 PRS will be standing by. Any more station? CQNet, and Station B, portable, mobile, or base who wish to join DX1 PRS Evening Net. Please call my station for Hotel 1 Lima Charlie Uniform. Ako po si Nelson from Binangonan, Rizal. Para sa DX1 PRS ay maghihintay. Na Tagalog. CQNet, and Station B, portable, mobile, or base who wish to join DX1 PRS Evening Net. Please call my station for Hotel 1 Lima Charlie Uniform for DX1 PRS will be standing by. Any more station who wish to join DX1 PRS Evening Net? Time check, 8:54 p.m. Any more station? CQNet, any more station who wish to join the X1 PRS Evening Net? CQNet, and Station B, portable, mobile, or base who wish to join the X1 PRS Evening Net. Please call my station for Hotel 1 Lima Charlie Uniform for the X1 PRS will be standing by. CQNet, and Station B, portable, mobile, or base who wish to join the X1 PRS Evening Net. Please call my station for Hotel 1 Lima Charlie Uniform for the X1 PRS will be standing by. Any more station who wish to join the X1 PRS Evening Net. CQNet, and Station B, portable, mobile, or base who wish to join the X1 PRS Evening Net. Please call my station for Hotel 1 Lima Charlie Uniform. Ako po si Nelson for the X1 PRS will be standing by. Copy, Tito Al, please stand by. Any more?
B1 X-ray Delta Delta.
Copy, Tito Del, please stand by. Any more? Nothing heard. Tito Del, please stand by. Unahin ko lang si Tito Al. Go ahead na, Tito Al.
Good evening, good evening, 481 FCU 41 ABC. Just joining and supporting the evening net. 73, God bless and move forward together with 4 Hotel 1 Echo Charlie Bravo. Mabuhay, God bless.
Acknowledge to station, Tita Nanette and Tito Al, na Muntinlupa City, also from the group. Thank you for always supporting our evening net. Your station, your 2 station for Echo 1 Alpha Victor Charlie and for Hotel 1 Echo Charlie Bravo is properly logged and clear. 73 any more move another station si Tito Del Delta Uniform 1 X-ray Delta Delta. Go ahead po.
With the call-in of 4H1 Bravo Hotel Sierra yata, hindi ako nagkakamali. Tito Nelson, magandang gabi. Magandang gabi, everyone. I am supporting the X1 PRS, no further traffic, 4H1 LCU, D1 XDD.
Acknowledge your station, Tito Del, ng Sukat Paranaque. Thank you for always supporting the X1 PRS. Minute your station, Delta Uniform 1 X-ray Delta Delta is properly locked and clear. 73 any more station.
Tito Nelson, 4H1 Bravo Delta Sierra daw.
Yung 4H1 Bravo Delta Sierra, go ahead na po.
Yung 4 Hotel 1 po, paki call in again. This is Delta United 1 X-ray Delta Delta on behalf of 4G1 LCU. H1 Delta Bravo Sierra. Do I copy it right? Isa pa po, 4 Hotel 1 Delta Bravo Sierra. Tama po ba? Magandang gabi. Tito Nelson, back to you. Nawala. Go ahead. Dito lang po. Nakaantabay.
Maraming salamat Tito Del at si Tito Fred yata yung Delta Bravo Sierra, na-ilag ko na siya kanina at nabasa ko doon sa namin. At acknowledge your station Tito Fred ng Alabang at also from the group. Thank you for always supporting our evening net. Your station for Hotel 1 Delta Bravo Sierra is properly logged and clear at maraming salamat Tito Del. Delta Uniform 1 X-ray Delta Delta Hotel 1 Lima Charlie Uniform. Any more station?
4G1 Mike Victor Lima.
Ayun, at bumalik ang kanyang audio sa akin. Go ahead na.
Ayun, good evening, Olman Nelson, tsaka kay Olman Root Boy. Tsaka good evening to all. 4G1 Mike Victor Lima. Just join our groups net. No further traffic. 73 mabuhay. Salamat, Olman Nelson.
Magandang gabi dyan, Adrian. Anong ginawa mo?
Hindi, inatras ko lang konti pa kanan.
Ayun, bumalik ka na sa dati. Yung dating unang kabit mo niyan. At ayun nga, acknowledge your station, Adrian, ng Lucena City. Also from the group. At thank you for always supporting our evening net. Your station, for Group 1, Mike Victor Lucena is properly logged and cleared. 73, any more station?
5x5, Adrian, Santa Rosa, Laguna. Sana ganyan lagi. Ayun, salamat, Olman Root Boy.
Any more? Last call. Sige break pati. Last call. Any station who wish to join the X1 PRS evening net, please call my station for Hotel 1 Lima Charlie Uniform for the X1 PRS will be standing by. Last call. Mukhang wala na po. May hahabol pa ba? Parang nasa biyahe pa si Tito Edsel. Habol na lang po yung hahabol at ako po yung magre-recap. Tawagin ko na lang po yung mga naka-log-in check-in sa akin at waiting lang po kayo. Pasensya na po, ako yung nasisinok. For Group 1, Delta Quebec Juliet, Doc Ina, Whiskey 6, Echo, United Golf, Stroke 1, Tito Jean, for India 1, Bravo, India, Tito Jojo, for Group 1, Kilo, Alpha Zulu, Tito Joy, ng Binangonan Rizal, kababayan ko yan. For India 1, Echo, Romeo Tango, Tito Eric, for Group 1, Delta India November, Tita Ivy. For Hotel 1, Delta Tango Golf, for Group 1, Foxtrot Bravo Lima. For Hotel 1, Whiskey X-Ray Papa, Delta Zulu 1, Delta, Delta Whiskey 3, Romeo, Quebec Gold, Stroke 1, Tito Roel. For India 1, Papa, Uniform Victor. For Group 1, Papa, Uniform Romeo, Tito Root Boy. For Hotel 1, Yankee Mike Oscar. For Group 1, Alpha Zulu Oscar, Delta Uniform 1, Alpha Zulu Sierra. For Group 1, Bravo Sierra Yankee. Delta Uniform 1, Victor Lima Zulu, Delta Whiskey 1, Quebec Echo Whiskey. For Hotel 1, Yankee Quebec Delta, Delta Whiskey 1, Romeo X-Ray Papa, Delta Victory 1, Sierra Victor Sierra. Delta Uniform 1, Papa, Romeo Foxtrot, Delta Yankee 1, Lima Echo Echo. For Hotel 1, Bravo Zulu Delta, Delta Yankee 1, Mike Alpha Romeo. For Group 1, Charlie Alpha Zulu. Delta Yankee 1, Lima, Lima Papa. Delta Whiskey 8, Charlie Romeo Foxtrot. For Group 1, Alpha Victor India. Delta Victory 2, Bravo Whiskey Bravo, si Tito Michael. For Group 1, November Tango Tango. For India 1, Mike Victor India. To Robert / Juliana. Delta Yankee 1, Romeo, Oscar Mike. For Group 1, Whiskey, Uniform Foxtrot, si Tita Amor. For Hotel 1, Bravo Zulu Echo. For Group 1, Alpha, Quebec Victor. For Group 1, Yankee Juliet Charlie. Delta Yankee 9, Juliet Delta Charlie. Delta Victory 1, Kilo Whiskey Mexico. For Group 1, Echo Delta Uniform. For Group 1, Lima Delta Kilo. Delta Whiskey 1, Zulu Papa Lima. Delta Uniform 1, Kilo India Yankee. Delta Yankee 1, Mike Victor Charlie. For Group 1, Tango Kilo Gold. For Group 1, Tango Kilo Foxtrot. For Hotel 1, X-Ray Charlie Mama. Mike, Delta Uniform 1, India Victor Tango Tita Telma. For Hotel 1, Delta Bravo Sierra. For Echo 1, Alpha Victor Charlie. For Hotel 1, Echo Charlie Bravo, Delta Uniform 1, X-Ray Delta Delta. For Group 1, Mike Victor Lima. At sinama na po kita, Tito Edchel, at alam ko baka naka-mobile ka. For India 1, Alpha Golf Juliet, si Tito Edchel na San Pedro, Laguna. May hahabol pa po ba? Mukhang wala na po. Ilan ba ito? 58. Ayun, meron pa? Any more station? May mahabol pa po ba? Ayun, acknowledge po kay Delta Yankee 3, Uniform Papa Mike. Check in po with no traffic. Tito Raymond, anong lugar ka dyan sa Delta Yankee 3? Pakilagay lang po at i-re-record ko dito. Si Tito Raymond Francisco, Delta Yankee 3, United Papa Mike. Your station is properly logged and clear. 73. At marami pong salamat. Yung pong kumayahabol pa po at tayo. Thank you very much. We would like to thanks to ilan ba ako? 58. We would like to thanks 58 station who check in for tonight. Thank you very much for supporting the X1 PRS Evening Net, and we hope to catch you again tomorrow for the next day edition of Evening Net. Same time, 8 o'clock, same frequency, 145.340 MHz. The net is now closed. Frequency 145.340 is now back to its normal operation. On behalf of the X1 PRS, this is for Hotel 1, Charlie Uniform, saying thank you very much. Good evening to all. God bless and good night. 73. Salamat, Tito Raymond. Record ko lang. At magandang gabi dyan sa may Kawayan, Bulacan. 73.
For Hotel 1, Lima Charlie Uniform, for Golf 1 Papa Uniform Romeo.
Go ahead, Tito.
Tito Nelson, bukas ay ano natin, pinaka last na for the week, and then sa Saturday ay special net call tayo.
Sige, Tito. At Tito, pag yung ko, tawag dito, mag-i-inform ako bukas sa mga napakiramdam ko eh. Iniginaw ako ngayon. Nag-jacket lang ako. At para sabihin ko sa iyo magkaya ko bukas. Ha?
May sakit ka. Hindi, pahinga ka na lang bukas. Ako na lang kung pupulot para hindi ka masyadong mapagod. At sana nga ay ko sa iyo na pag bukas, pag nag-net call ka, kasi monitor ko yung mga entries natin, yung mga stations na may entry numbers na kapag nag-check-in sila sana, magbe-break ako. Kunyari, yung si Tito Fred, kunyari, nag-check-in siya. After ng sana, yung pag-check-in niya, magbe-break ako tapos i-acknowledge mo siya after na lang. Kasi kung minsan pag after ng mga checking in, di ba, may mga nag-check-in. Basta i-acknowledge mo na lang break after na na-record mo na yung mga station sana. Sa ganon, ma-inform natin agad yung particular entries.
So, sige, Tito, ikaw na lang muna bukas. Baka at ako yung kanina pa nga ako rito, nagtyaga lang ako. Magandang gabi dyan, Tito. Salamat.
TSL, sige, para hindi ka masyadong mapapagod kasi nakakapagod talaga yung ganyan una-una, isang oras ka na magsalita madadry yung mo, madidrain ka talaga. Sige, ako na lang para hindi ka makapagpahinga ka ng maigi para sa pagdating ng Saturday medyo live na.
Giniginaw lang ako kanina kaya nag-jacket ako at para ayun, nga. Ikaw na lang sige bukas, Tito, para ma-monitor mo din yung mga listahan. Hindi ko ma-monitor yung listahan, nalilito ako pag nagbabasa pa ako nun eh.
Yes, yun ang kwan siya na paraan. Pero anyway, kung ako na lang para ma-monitor kasi may ginawa